Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an interesting, very different type of sweet recipe. It is very easy, so let's start. For that, in a pressure cooker I have added 2 cups of water. I'm adding 1 whole coconut to it. We are going to just cook the coconut for 5 whistles in medium flame. After the pressure has settled, we are just going to see. If you see now, the water color has changed, the coconut has cooked well. Be careful while handling the coconut. After some time, remove the coconut from the water. Please do not waste the water which you have used to cook the coconut. You can use it for the plants. I have just broken the coconut, and if you see, to my surprise, it has the pulp and the shell has come out separately on its own. That's the reason why we are cooking the coconut. And now here I am going to cut all the pulps into tiny pieces so that it will be easy for us to grind. Now in a mixer jar I am going to add the chopped pieces of coconut. It has been exactly measured to 2 cups. To this I am going to add half cup of water and I am going to grind it very smoothly. After grinding it so smooth, here I am going to add another half cup of water. After adding, grind it a bit. Filter the coconut milk from the coconut mixture. If you see the puree of the coconut, it will be very smooth as we have cooked the coconut and we have extracted the coconut milk. The more we cook, the more milk we get from the coconut. After extracting it fully, I am going to add 1 more cup of water to extract the balance coconut milk that has been retained in the coconut puree. You can also see the coconut milk is very thick. Now the coconut milk is ready. To the coconut milk I am going to add 1 spoon of vanilla essence for fragrance. If vanilla essence is not available, you can use cardamom powder half spoon. To that I am going to add corn flour 4 spoons. I am going to mix it without any lumps. After mixing the corn flour with the coconut milk, I am going to add palm sugar powder. Please don't add the palm sugar directly to the coconut milk, so it can't change the color. Instead, you can powder it and add it to the coconut milk. But now I am adding half cup of white sugar so that the color remains the same. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I have switched on the pan and I have kept it in low flame. Mix the mixture well so that the corn flour comes up and we can add it to the pan. This mixture will be getting cooked within 5 minutes. It will be cooking within 5 minutes, and the thing what we have to do is we have to just keep stirring it so that the corn flour lumps can be avoided. And if you see, it has started thickening. Just use a whisker to make the process very easily, or also you can use a spatula to it. After the corn flour and the coconut mixture gets well thickened, we are going to cook 2 more minutes. As the bubbles rises, it is the perfect time to switch off the stove. You can see the bubbles are flaring up. Switch off the flame, and now I am going to pour the mixture into a cup. And I'm going to allow it to rest and let it get cool. Allow 2 hours for it to set so that we'll be getting our coconut milk pudding its correct texture. So now after 2 hours, if you see, the mixture is out of the mold. So here we go. Our easy coconut milk pudding is ready without gelatin and agar-agar. We have used only 2 main ingredients and sugar to it. It's very healthy for the kids. Use any kind of toppings that are very healthy for the kids. Please do try this recipe at home and let me know your suggestions in the comment box. And please subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut so that you will be getting all my recent videos to your notifications by pressing the bell notification icon as well. Keep watching, stay connected, meet you soon.